All right, here I am and I'm starting my tour. It's actually even closer to the highway than I thought. There's the highway. I'll take another video outdoors. I'll just do it here. I'm gonna be real quiet so you can hear. It is incredibly loud when you are this close to a highway. I'm not going to sugarcoat that. So there's no front door, it's actually a side door. So here I am going in the side door. Carport, side door. Living room. This looks to be in decent shape. It's dirty, but the hardwoods are not in very good shape. They must be really loud because there's screws, hundreds and hundreds of screws all over the floor. Looks like they took a wall out here. A lot of the lights don't work. There's not a lot of maintenance in this house, so I'm wondering if they don't have bulbs, but yet then I see this and I think maybe there's some electrical issues. The windows up here have been replaced with vinyl windows. It's very, very dirty. Here's your kitchen, which actually is not too bad. It has been updated. And it's a good layout. There's a door. A lot of the electrical doesn't work, so it might seem a little dark. There's a door here to this hallway. Here's the bathroom. That tile looks like it's in good condition. However, whoever put this tile in didn't really know what they were doing, and it's put in very unevenly. It's cosmetic, but it's also not installed right. There is not a new window in the back of the house here. Whew, people are so dirty. All right. Bedroom number 1. Very nice sized bedroom. All original windows in this room. This is a great sized room. And these floors are really, really squeaky. I can see why there's so many screws in them. And there's really not a good way to fix that besides replacing the subfloor. So just be mindful that it'll be noisy downstairs too. Bedroom number 2. Very large. And new windows. Needs paint. Same screws all over the floor. That is a new window. Here's your backyard. What it looks at, I'll go outside and do a separate video. There's the front of the house and there's the highway wall. The downstairs is in a lot worse shape than the upstairs. Door to the exterior. They must have pets. It smells like either pets or dirt or mold or mildew. I'm not sure. It's just really stinky downstairs. Here's the staircase. All the carpeting needs to go. The walls need a lot of TLC.